Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we transform everyday outdoor spaces into breathtaking green sanctuaries. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at a blank, boring exterior wall or a dreary garden fence and wondered how to bring it to life? If you are running out of ground space or simply want to elevate your yard's visual appeal, vertical gardening is the ultimate solution you've been looking for. Today, we are diving into the world of wall-mount trellises, a stylish, space-saving design element that can instantly turn any vertical surface into a stunning living masterpiece. Get ready to discover how this simple addition can completely redefine your garden. A wall-mount trellis is a structural framework designed to be attached directly to walls, fences, or exterior structures, serving as a sturdy support system for climbing plants, vines, and vertical flora. Choosing a wall-mount trellis allows you to maximize limited garden footprints by taking advantage of underutilized vertical real estate, making it an ideal choice for urban yards, cozy patios, and compact balconies. Beyond saving floor space, it provides superior structural support for growing plants, improves air circulation around foliage, and adds striking architectural depth to plain exterior walls. Whether you want to create a dense privacy screen, cultivate a vertical herb garden, or display vibrant flowering climbers like bougainvillea and clematis, a wall-mount trellis offers the perfect balance of aesthetic elegance and practical gardening function. A wall-mount trellis is a simple and cost-effective way to add style to your outdoor space. Attach one to the side of your house, a fence, or another exterior wall for vertical garden or to give climbing flowers and vines a place to grow. Draw inspiration from these wall-mount trellis ideas to take your garden to new heights. Here these the compilation of 15 unique wall trellis ideas for a gorgeous vertical garden display of flowering vines. One, decorative wall-mount trellis. Wall-mounted trellises can transform a plain wall into a vibrant garden feature. Originally plain, this stucco exterior now shows off a series of trellises that elevate climbing vines, adding a splash of color and visual interest. Bring flowering vines up the wall to refresh your home's appearance. 2. Custom wall-mount trellis ideas. Create a uniquely personal touch with custom trellis designs. An elongated shape with an arched top doubles as a piece of wall art when used as a trellis. This design invites climbing vines to entwine gracefully around the frame, creating a charming backdrop for a flower-filled urn. 3. Wall-mount trellis ideas for small yards. In small yards, wall-mounted trellises allow you to expand your garden vertically when horizontal space is limited. Secure a trellis to your siding to guide plants like climbing roses as they grow. This modest metal trellis integrates seamlessly with a gray exterior for a sleek, cohesive appearance. 4. Front door trellis. Increase your curb appeal with a trellis framing your front door. Positioned on each side of the entryway, the trellis highlights a red door amidst vibrant greenery. As vines climb over the door, they enhance the cottage-style charm of the cedar-shingled house. 5. Bamboo wall trellis. This bamboo wall trellis stretches along the fence, using interlocking bamboo lengths to create its pattern. The lighter bamboo contrasts prominently against the wooden fence while supporting climbing vines. This simple yet impactful pattern is easy to replicate. 6. Elegant wall-mount trellis. This large ornate trellis is exquisitely detailed to serve as an elegant architectural feature for a stately brick home. Providing visual relief against a vast expanse of fencing, it is beautifully framed by climbing vines on one side and vibrant blooms in front, making it an ideal architectural addition. 7. Lattice panel trellises. Lattice panels are perfect for crafting versatile outdoor trellises. This trellis showcases robust lattice panels complemented by faux columns, offering excellent support for climbing vines. These vines stand out beautifully against the white background. By covering the sides of two adjacent buildings, the wall-mounted trellises create a cohesive visual connection. 8. Heart-shaped wall trellis. Wall-mounted trellises are available in various shapes, sizes, and styles. A heart-shaped trellis against the unfinished cedar shingle siding of this garage serves as a delightful focal point. Remember to use spacers to create a gap, preventing water damage between the trellis and the wall. 9. Simple wall-mount trellis. Even small wall-mounted trellises can create a significant impact. Here, two inserts cut from a lattice panel and mounted on a cedar frame capture the essence of a larger trellis design. This compact style serves as a charming accent in a cozy outdoor dining area. 10. Repeating wall trellises. Using repetition can transform simple structures into remarkable design features. Here, a sequence of basic rectangular trellises forms an impressive architectural element. Although each trellis is modest in size, their collective presence creates a striking visual impact within the blooming garden. 11. Stylish wall trellis. With the right design, a trellis can enhance any garden or outdoor space. Let your home's architectural style inspire your trellis choice. This trellis, with its crisp white frame, contrasts elegantly with the dark red brick backdrop. The arched center surrounds a water feature, amplifying the serene ambience of the outdoor setting. 12. Trellis ideas with repurposed materials. Trellises can be crafted from a variety of materials. Explore your home and visit antique stores for unique ideas that suit a wall-mounted trellis. In this example, a repurposed iron headboard supports lush greenery against the house's siding. The intricate details on the trellis contribute a charming vintage-style look. 13. Window frame wall trellis. Consider an old window frame, like this one with an arched transom, for a charming garden trellis. Outfitted with a cedar grid, this trellis easily supports large climbing vines, adding more character than the plant alone could offer. Against dark red brick, the trellis provides pleasing contrast. 14. Vintage-style wall trellis. When choosing materials for your trellis, consider the style of your garden and outdoor decor. Here, rustic wire fencing supports a clematis vine, giving the setup a nostalgic flair. The wall trellis features a painted wood casing and rosette block that will age gracefully over time. 15. Wall-mount trellis window frame. Consider framing an exterior window for a distinct wall-mounted trellis design. This setup wraps the trellis around a sizable window, enhancing wall style and emphasizing the glass. Its decorative wooden design pops against white painted brick, offering an elegant backdrop as the vines grow and bloom. Integrating a wall-mount trellis into your outdoor decor is one of the easiest yet most dramatic ways to elevate your landscape design. By blending natural greenery with clean architectural frames, you can effortlessly turn empty vertical spaces into captivating focal points that feel fresh, vibrant, and luxurious. We hope these ideas inspire you to look at your blank walls in a whole new light and start building your very own vertical garden paradise today. If you enjoyed this video and found these design ideas helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring outdoor decor and landscaping content. Don't forget to click the bell notification icon so you never miss an update. What kind of climbing plants are you planning to grow on your trellis? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas.